In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Goodnotes to Google Drive 2025. Full tutorial. Connecting Goodnotes to Google Drive ensures your notebooks are safely backed up and easy to access across devices. We'll walk through turning on auto backup, linking your Google account, choosing the right export settings, optionally picking a folder, and testing that everything works. Start by opening the Goodnotes app. Look for the gear icon to open settings. Depending on your device, it might be in the top right or the top left. In Settings, tap Cloud and Backup to open the backup options. Next, tap Auto Backup and switch it on. This tells Goodnotes to automatically send copies of your documents to the cloud without you having to export them one by one. Backups run when the app can connect to the internet, so it's best to keep the app open for a moment after making changes. Under Auto Backup, tap Cloud Storage. Choose Google Drive as your backup service, then tap Sign in to Google Drive. Log into your Google account and allow the permissions Goodnotes requests. These permissions let the app create and update files in your drive. Once you grant access, the connection is established and you're ready to customize how your notes are saved. Now choose your backup settings. For export format, pick PDF for the easiest viewing and sharing, and include the Goodnotes format if you want to re-import files back into the app later with full editability. Under Include, select all documents and subfolders so your entire library is protected. Leave paper size at the default unless you have a specific reason to change it. Goodnotes will automatically create its own folder in Google Drive for these backups. If you prefer a specific location, you can choose a backup folder. Tap Backup Location, then select an existing folder or create a new one, such as a folder named Goodnotes Backup. This helps keep your drive organized. Let's test the backup. Create a new note in Goodnotes, add a quick scribble or title, and wait a little while. Open Google Drive and navigate to the Goodnotes backup folder you saw or selected. Your new file should appear automatically. The first sync can take a few minutes depending on your connection and library size. That's it. Your Goodnotes library is now backing up to Google Drive. You can revisit these settings anytime to adjust formats or locations. If a file doesn't show up, confirm auto backup is on and that you're signed in with a stable internet connection. Thanks for watching and enjoy the peace of mind that comes with automatic backups.